SSL installation process without control panel on Windows Server. Step 1. Creating a CSR. To initiate the SSL installation process, you need to generate a CSR, which contains information about your website and server. This can be done using tools like OpenSSL or the Windows Server Certificate Manager. Step 2. Domain authentication. After generating the CSR, you need to prove ownership of the domain you wish to secure. This typically involves following specific verification steps provided by the SSL certificate provider, such as confirming domain ownership via email or adding a specific DNS record. Step 3. Installing the SSL certificate in Windows. Once the SSL certificate is issued by the Certificate Authority, CA, you need to install it on your Windows Server. This can be done through the Windows Server Certificate Manager or by manually importing the certificate into the server's certificate store. Step 4. Applying the SSL certificate to the website. After the certificate is installed, you need to associate it with a specific website or web application you want to secure. This can be achieved by binding the SSL certificate to the corresponding website in Internet Information Services, IIS. Step 5. Redirecting HTTP to HTTPS. To ensure all traffic is encrypted, it is essential to redirect HTTP requests to HTTPS. This can be accomplished by configuring the website or using URL rewrite rules in IIS. Dserver hosting. We provide India's fastest cloud server, VPS hosting and dedicated server at an affordable price. For offer, visit our website www.dserverhosting.com.